Hey guys, Paul from F.A.R Outdoors. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I'm pretty excited. Me and this guy has been trying to work out getting together and doing a collaboration of videos. So he's on his way here today. He's bringing his girlfriend with him, Stephanie. His name is David. Some of you might know him on Instagram as Stompin' Dirt. He has a great YouTube channel also called Stompin' Dirt. You guys tune into his channel, give him a like and a subscribe, because he has some really great content. It's not just about fishing, it's about hunting, it's about trapping, it's about cooking. This guy has got it going on, so definitely give him a follow, guys, and hopefully today we can get on some good fish for him. What's up, brother? All right, pull. Are you in the parking lot? All right, pull all the way to the south, and you see like a man gate down there on your left. And I'm coming up now. I'm right here on the beach. So, all right, brother. Maybe something better for us if we, it's up to you guys, you let me know what you think, but maybe running all the way to the east and then just letting that wind bring us down. You want to do that? Get up there while we can and let that wind just drift us. That's up to you. I'm just saying, I know you guys are going to be, it's always windy on this lake. Sometimes it's good wind, sometimes it's not, but I think it's with it hitting us in the face, that's going to be our best luck, is getting upwind and then just coasting downwind with it. So we'll go around that point there, and then you'll see another point on the backside, and we'll go around that point, and there's a metal overflow drain up there, and we'll just start coasting down this way from there. There we go.
Woo, good one too. Oh, he's finished. Oh, he's finished, guys.
Dude, I've had him hit right at the boat too. Just scare the bejeebus out of you.
Yeah, especially in Texas.
You get another one? Gonna put on a clinic here in a minute. That's what I'm saying. That's a good fish. Like, how do you judge it, you know? Okay. He took that right off of the reeds, bro. Okay. That's a good one. Okay. Yeah, that's a good fish. 2.5. All right, guys, first fish of the morning to the boat. So we'll get him back in. Good size, probably about 2.5 pounds. Guys, I don't think I've caught that small of a fish in my life, but there she is. If I get her close to the camera, you'd think she's a giant. So let me get her up there. All right, guys, he felt a whole lot bigger than what he was. I'm pretty sure he was in something else's mouth. There we go. Little ones today. Another little one, guys. I don't know what's going on with the bigs. Haven't caught any big ones today, but we're gonna keep grinding. We out here with Dave and Stephanie from Stomping Dirt. We're having a blast. Let's keep it going. Counting your license. There we go. My best fish of the day, it looked like. Maybe. I don't want to speak too soon. That last one I thought was a giant. Biggest. All right, guys. Another small one. Let's get him back in. Little taco. Smoother for her, you know. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
I ain't looking to be trained no more. And I ain't training nobody no more. That's it. Another one. It's been a while, but we got another one to the kayak, guys. We got Dave and Steph being towed behind. We're trying to get to the far side of the lake. The wind's blowing. And they're tired of rowing. We'll start off at this dock over here and see if we can't get something from there, and then just make our trip right back around, coasting with the wind. Still gonna be brutal. Once you get in this area here, you're gonna get shoved into the bank. Another one. Been a while, guys, a long while. We on the June bug trick worm from Zoom. We're struggling out here, but we're still at it. That's an expensive fish, that's all I'm gonna say.
It would be.
Yeah.
This here guy, he ain't no monster, but he's a decent fish. If I can get him up, probably a couple pounds or better. Oh yeah, yeah, he's a 2-pounder. He ain't no monster. He was down a little bit deep. That's why he was wrecking havoc on me. But hey, at this point, I'll take him. It's been a little bit of a tough bite. At least for me it has been. Stephanie, not so much. But get this guy back in the water. Thank you, buddy, for playing along.
Well, guys, that is going to do it. We got out here fairly early. I think they got here around 7:30, maybe 8 o'clock, something like that. The morning bite, I believe, had already kind of settled down a little bit, but we were still able to put them on some fish. There were no giants caught today, as you've seen by the video, but that's all right. I made a good friend, 2 good friends actually, that I'm hoping to do a lot more fishing with and maybe get into some other things later on down the road. But anyway, I appreciate you tuning in, guys. If you haven't done so, like and subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment below, guys, and until next time, keep those lines tight.